The Tecalemit Garage Equipment Service Centre near Plymouth.
Tecalemit Service Department.
Experienced, technically qualified staff able to deliver high-calibre advice to Tecalemit customers.
And is it due for calibration?
If you go into the start menu on
Helping to prevent problems arising and solving them when they do.
What make a two-post lift is that, sir?
Helping customers to reduce cost and increase margins. Helping them to be competitive and efficient. Getting spare parts, components and products to wherever they're needed, fast. A significant investment in stock, ready for immediate dispatch, either from centres in Milton Keynes or here near to Plymouth. High levels of investment in IT to reduce delivery times and customer downtime. Finding precisely what the customer wants and getting it to where it's needed. Ensuring that customers get the maximum productivity out of equipment. Improving reliability by using an intelligent, proven and flexible system which gets the job done. "60 experienced and trained service engineers nationwide. A high-calibre team which brings its technical expertise to your business. IT-savvy individuals who can identify quickly what's needed and have the ability to get delivery underway without delay. Seasoned industry professionals who can service and repair equipment quickly and cost-effectively. Tecalemit, your business, your choice.